Good afternoon and welcome to the 10 September 2019 Fire Weather Brief from Missoula, Montana. Looking at our current weather, we have this moisture streaming up from the south and the southwest. It'll probably start to impact central Idaho by mid-afternoon with some showers and some thunderstorms. There is a very cool air above us, so we're not going to get a lot of afternoon heating, but the cooler air above is going to allow some thunderstorms to develop. And then by evening into the overnight hours, the showers will be pretty much Missoula and north into northwest Montana, which lead us into Wednesday. The trough that we're seeing, the axis will be over western Montana by tomorrow afternoon, and we're looking at another round of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. From Tuesday into Wednesday afternoon, we're looking at a widespread chance of wetting rain. We're not looking at the same type of precipitation as the previous two events. Maybe in general a tenth to 1/1500ths of an inch widespread, with the 1/1500ths being the higher terrain. The best chance of thunderstorms both days is going to be I-90 and south. Once again, we're not going to see a lot of afternoon heating. Temperatures are going to stay relatively cool for this time of year, but it's a cooler air mass above, which is going to allow those storms to build. Now, we're keying in on Thursday. Thursday, it's going to be warmer and drier, and we think this is going to be the best chance for the burners out there to get a dry day. Generally mid-80s central Idaho to mid-70s in western Montana. Now, we're going to show you on the next slide, Friday, there's a trough coming into northwest Montana, but I think Friday may have similar conditions for central Idaho. Western Montana, I don't believe we're going to get that. We're going to be looking at Friday onward, have that trough come in basically in this general area right here, and it's going to set off some afternoon showers for northwest Montana. But I think the rest of western Montana is going to see some general cloudiness. It's going to keep our temperatures down on Friday. But like I said, I do believe central Idaho will have similar conditions on Friday as they do Thursday. Now the weekend is going to be generally unsettled and cool. Saturday probably being the best day of those 2 days. And then this graphic here is a 500 millibar chart for Tuesday afternoon. And the models are in general agreement that there's going to be a pretty deep trough at the beginning of the week. They're just not in agreement with the timing, and we're not ready yet to talk about impacts. I don't think that this system is going to be as wet as the previous two systems we've had. But just to give you an idea of this pattern is going to stay active at least through the beginning of next week. Which leads us to the 8 to 14 day outlook. Right here, it's showing temperatures are going to be near normal. And what does that mean? For western Montana, we're talking low to mid 70s in the afternoon, and for central Idaho, mid 80s, possibly in the lowest levels, up around 90 through 2 weeks out. And for precipitation, we're looking at slightly above normal, which once again speaks to the message that we're trying to get out. We're going to stay in this active pattern for a couple weeks. There's nothing saying that it's going to change at least through 2 weeks. Weather threat matrix. For Wednesday, we have lightning out for all areas, but as you can see here, northwest Montana, we're not seeing it as being an impact. The chance is going to be there. We don't want you to think that there's not going to be thunderstorms up there, but we think the best chance is going to be I-90 and south. Thank you for listening to the briefing. Our next briefing will be on Thursday, the 12th of September. Have a great day.